welcome back everyone. We're setting off again.
Morning guys!
Yeah, we just stayed somewhere over there.
Oh, that's
really,
a
really nice
beautiful
morning.
spot.
Yeah, really nice. A level 8, at least a level 8 spot. Yeah. Wish we could have stayed a few more days, but I don't know why we didn't.
I think we just want to get up to Braunston really.
Yeah. We want to get in the countryside. We want to get past Berkhamsted. And then we can relax a bit then, can't we?
Relax.
Because then it's more countryside-y. Investigate the area. But at the moment we're in like a blanket between Hemel Hempstead and Berkhamsted. And there's about 12 locks to do today, loads in Berkhamsted, so there's going to be quite a few congoozers probably, but what can you do?
I hope we get to a nice spot.
I'm really aching from the 18 locks yesterday, aren't you?
Sorry?
Aching from the 18 locks yesterday.
Yeah, cool. A little bit, but the thing is, I think it's going to be colder tomorrow, so we might...
It is. Despite what it looks like, it is really cold with that northerly wind.
We might not cruise tomorrow, we'll see.
Yeah, probably have a break.
If it's that cold.
Yeah, we're heading towards lock 58, Sewers lock. We took the guy in the bones Narrowboat, and he was really, really nice. He told us that it may stink because it's actually a sewer. Oh!
Did you hit the head?
Can't be close there.
Oh, we haven't put it down either.
It's a very tight front leg. Through the road, pull through the road with an handy and hit her smack in the face. Just came through Sewers Lock and I think we know why it's called that. It did stink, he lied. So it didn't smell.
I think it was
stunk.
sarcastic.
Yeah, it stunk. It stunk like pump out.
Oh, Jesus.
No, yeah, it's the first lock and I can feel it from yesterday. God, I don't even know if I can manage to do all the other locks. But hopefully I can. But yeah, need a rest, I think.
He might have to, I think he might have to have a rest tomorrow, bless him.
Yeah.
And he's only 20. His old mum's 57.
Yeah, but I'm the one who has to always pull and push the gate, the really heavy gates open first. And then yours is lighter.
I know, but it's still heavy. I can't do that.
I'm pulling against the pressure.
I know.
Wow! Bottom side lock. I thought it was set for us, but it wasn't. We get terrible luck with these locks, don't we?
Yeah, we've had to open it. We've had to leave the gate, I don't know, paddles open.
Yeah, it's not that.
The last two.
The only reason it was set for us is because the paddles were open.
Yeah.
Very stiff, you had to give it some stick, hadn't you? Yeah. One more lock before we get into proper Berkhamsted. 5 times already. Oh, okay.
Unless you want one. Go over then.
I'm Diane, stop messing me about.
Let's go over and if you want a Greggs or you want a pasty.
Oh, it's a sausage roll. Yeah, no one's move out the way, darling, because I'm going to crash. I don't think you have
I
either.
don't want to. Oh, this is naughty.
We've done 3
Naughty
locks
but
so far.
nice.
We've only got 10 more to do.
Naughty.
So 3 locks, 12 o'clock, 10 more.
It's about half 12.
You'll get it done.
We've just stopped outside Greggs
We saw Fox in the floats video.
and having a sausage roll and a donut. Really naughty, but nice. Naughty but nice.
There's a water point here, but we're not even drinking water. Just here for Greggs.
Yeah, because we were filled up yesterday.
Yeah, quickly, yes, and off we go again.
Yeah.
You just done it. Headed through Berkhamsted, which is actually
very
fish
nice.
bar. There, look, Josh. I thought we could smell fish and chips. Now open. There's more in here. There's a castle there, but we just don't have time at the moment. Would be nice, but I don't have time.
Mission to go on to, get the mission out of the way and then we can relax.
Yeah.
Pass through the Rising Sun Lock, which is the best lock name ever. And then through the next one. And yeah, when we came through just before Rising Sun, the pound between Rising Sun Lock and the one before that, Side Top Lock I think it was called. Yeah, the pound had dropped 6 inches. And they asked us, have you left the paddles open? We said no. We left the bottom paddle open because it asked us to on the gate, which would obviously drop the water out the lock, but we were warned about a big wide beam, weren't we? It was right in the way on the lock landing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we could barely just get in. But I've got to stop chatting because we're at another lock again. So we've got a lot to talk about. Let's begin at the start. So we met a boat going the other way, but it looked as though he was going up because the back of his boat looked like the front of his boat.
They just like rounded.
Yeah.
Like a semicircle.
He was actually coming down. He had a very stubby nose, that boat. So we went out there, opened the gates for them, shut them for him. And then we went, that was at Berkhamsted Lock. And then we went to Gas 2 Lock, Gas 1 Lock. I don't know why they're named like that. Went to there. Both of the gates were open and on both of the locks, which we don't have a problem with because we can just go straight in.
3 in a row, but open.
Yeah. What happened? Dad got off to help me with the locks instead of Mum. So Mum actually had a go at putting the boat in the locks, which was alright.
First one was alright.
She enjoyed it. Have a little break. And Dad helped me open the locks. So yeah, nothing really went wrong there. The next lock we came across was the 2019 brand new lock. And
so
yeah, it was like one of the heaviest ones and it was brand new.
It's so hard.
It had already rusted as well.
The sluice. Oh, Jesus.
And yeah, Mum could barely get it open. And then when she went to shut it,
Yeah, I see the rest of the rubbish.
when she went to shut the sluices, it almost hit you in the face, didn't
Yeah, the thing went.
it?
And it hit my hand.
Lost grip.
Lost grip. I've got gloves on, but
Yeah.
I'm just got little gloves on. Don't know.
How's that?
And then we went into the next one. The next one's open as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, went in. She came up to the next one, which was Bush's lock for some reason. A bit weird.
Just a bit worried about going up the ladders in the lock. That's why Andy's
Yeah.
It can be very slippery.
Yeah, so yeah,
Doing all right,
did
though,
Bush's
isn't it?
lock.
Doing it
Did Bush's lock. Mum stayed on the boat, didn't you?
Yeah.
Dad gets back on the boat, and the boat's like this. You know, it's usually like that. The boat's like that. Okay. Dad says, "Oh my God, you got the fender stuck in the gate. Empty it." So me and Mum quickly rushed to empty the lock a little
The
bit.
boat was like that, the pack was like
Oh, I
that.
don't think I'll be doing in the locks again.
You're fine, everyone makes mistakes. God, it's easy mistakes.
Mum got the long fender at the back stuck right in the gate.
I've got a fender at the back that's about 2 foot long. So
Yeah, we're getting really worried that we won't be able to get it back out, but we managed to by releasing some of the water out. Yeah.
Letting the water.
So the boat was sticking right up like that. So that was a close call.
Yeah.
We're almost out of Berkhamsted now. One more lock until we're.
Oh, the bridge,
kind of out
oh
of it.
gosh, that bridge is lovely.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, Berkhamsted has been alright actually.
Yeah, the
Quite surprised. I thought it
bridge.
was going to be really built up and alright.
Yeah.
But
The
it's-
shape of the bridge, all the bridges aren't like that. Beautiful. The sea and the log, it's absolutely lovely.
So we're heading to North Church Lock. Let's hope nothing goes wrong there. Oh God.
Wonder if the gates. Oh, Dad's still not open.
Controller. Very rare anomaly happening right now. I'm operating the boat, and those two are doing the lock. We're mixing things up a little. What's there? My car's here.
Snowing again.
My car's here. Oh, it's snowing.
Again.
It's snowing again. So we're just going through like a little cut area, hills on both sides. I think Fox of the Float mentioned this area in their vlog coming through it. And we're trying to find somewhere to moor where we can get plenty of solar because we're going to have the break tomorrow. So yeah,
Yeah, we're not.
it's beautiful.
It's absolutely lovely.
Yeah, we need solar.
Well,
We've been running the engine all the time to keep our electric.
Well, I don't know how low we are on diesel, but we need to get diesel really.
Yeah, we looked in the marina, saw a Z4, and then we asked the lady in there who went in there. There was an Narrowboat went in there. We said
57 miles.
we said how much is the diesel? She said 109. A bit expensive for us, so we weren't going to do it anyway. But
Well, when we saw it for 80 pence a couple of days ago.
I don't think you can.
Bank holiday, wasn't it?
No, I don't think you can get any diesel in there.
White holiday season.
Because she came back out and then she wanted to moor where we were to get water, so we
Yeah, I
had to
don't
go.
think she. I
And a
don't
massive snowstorm started again.
Yeah, snow again.
Turned into winter.
Oh, absolutely bitter again.
Yeah. Let's find some of the moor.
What the hell is going on? This is a blizzard.
Holy moly!
This is a blizzard.
Look at him getting covered in snow.
This is a blizzard. Look at me.
So everyone, guess what? No outro again. Sorry about this. But pretty much it got really, really cold, and we were actually freezing to death out there. It was like bloody December again. So we just moored up after this, and yeah, we stayed there for a day to get ready for the Marsworth vlog. So thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, because it is free. It sounds like it's a subscription, but it's free. Trust me. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
We'll get water later because you're using it on the washing machine.
Behind the LCD.
That's here, isn't it?
Behind the LCD. What's the LCD? The little screen. A bit much. What's going on? You'll lose grip, aren't you? It's automatically, do it. Why home? Oh my god! Oh my god! God's sake! Block's too heavy again, isn't it? You can probably just get behind it. One way of doing it. Dad, look! Transformers fight! Transformers fight! What is going on? Take our time and make them rounded and a little square head. It's time to build a snow.
Bye.